Good morning, students. Let us study today about the first cities, the Indus Valley Civilization. The Indus Valley Civilization flourished on the banks of the river Indus beginning sometime around 2500 BC. This civilization developed around the same time as the Egyptian, Mesopotamian, and Chinese civilizations. It is also called the Harappan civilization because Harappa, now in Sahiwal district of Pakistan, was the first site to be discovered in 1921 by Dayaram Sahni. In 1922, Dr. Rakhaldas Banerjee discovered Mohenjo-daro in the Larkana district of Sindh, now in Pakistan. Besides Harappa and Mohenjo-daro, other sites where remains of the Indus Valley civilization have been found are Ropar in Punjab, Lothal in Gujarat, Kalibangan in Rajasthan, Banwali in Haryana, Alamgirpur in Uttar Pradesh, and Chinhu Daro in Sindh, that is in Pakistan. So all these are the important sites discovered and they all included in Harappan civilization. One of the recent sites to be discovered is Dholavira. It is situated in the Kutch district of Gujarat. The reason for the settlement of these two big cities, that is Harappa and Mohenjo-daro, in the valley of the Indus River were many. So why Harappa and Mohenjo-daro flourished on the bank of river Indus? The reasons are given here. The rivers provided plenty of water for growing crops. The climate was warm and moist because of the river. The land was extremely fertile for growing wheat, barley, sesame and mustard. Silt-bearing floods by the river Indus kept the land fertile. Means because of every year's flood in the river Indus, the land was renewed or the fertility of the land was renewed. So because of all these reasons, Harappa and Mohenjo-daro were developed on the bank of river Indus, and that's why this civilization is called Indus Valley Civilization. Now let us know what is civilization. The term comes from Latin civis, meaning citizens and townsmen. It is the total accomplishment of human society in terms of agriculture, division of labor, population increase and urbanization. Means in every field there was great development, that is called civilization. Now what is culture? Culture comes from Latin cultura, meaning to cultivate. It includes technology, art, science, as well as moral systems and the characteristic behaviors and habits of mankind. Means when man developed or in the field of technology, art, science, as well as moral systems and characteristic behaviors and habits, this is called culture. So in a civilization, cultural development also you can find. Now chronology of Indus Valley civilization you can see here. It started in 2500 BC and came to an end or started declining up to 1500 BC. So decline of Indus Valley civilization was in 1500 BC. About town planning we will study in the next class, but before that we should know the extent or in which area the Indus Valley civilization was spread. So you can see here the map. It shows the western part of India and some part of Pakistan where this civilization was developed. The orange part shows the development of this civilization. Most sites of the Indus Valley civilization were found on the banks of river Indus and its tributaries. Tributaries means the small river joined to a big river. So you can see in this map, many small rivers are joining to the Indus River. So these whole area included in Indus Valley civilization. Subsequent discoveries reveal that the Indus Valley civilization or settlement spread as far as parts of northern and western parts of Indian subcontinent, extending from Baluchistan and Sindh to Gujarat, Rajasthan, Haryana, Punjab, and western Uttar Pradesh. So, in all these states, you can see the extent of Indus Valley civilization or Harappan civilization from Baluchistan and Sindh in Pakistan to Gujarat, Rajasthan, Haryana, Punjab, and western Uttar Pradesh. So, in your map booster book, you will do this map. That's all for today. Thank you. Have a good day.